it's me again. I'm using the roper punch. So what I'm doing is I'm just carefully just popping holes. See? Just pops a hole in there. Instead of just, what do you call it? Drilling. I just pop this thing in there, see? And what I'll do is I'll just eat holes through it. Close to the line as possible. If I can see this here. Just pop it through. Keep going. Pop another one just close to the line. There we go. What the hell? Come on. Sometimes it gets stuck. See, it's slowly chewing through. Not too much effort involved. If I was using a drill, this would take forever. So normally what you gotta do is it gets stuck, you just put a piece of metal in here. It'll pop it out again. And you just pop it in here like so. Pop. Put a little piece of metal in there and then it'll unpop it. Just keep going down the aisle. Oop. There you go. There we go. And one of the reasons why I bought this is because look how many drill holes I would have had to put in here. I thought it was really cool. Then again, I think everything's cool. And basically, you can just, it's like I guess a non-electrical plasma cutter. You just pop it in there and pop it out. You just keep eating your way through. It does get a lot harder with larger, what do you call it, diameter metal. You know what? Nobody said life's easy, right? I'll show you the end result. Pop that off. I don't have the original bar to roll it around. All it is came with this fabulous little piece of, looks like plumbing pipe. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe one more shot over here. Give it a little cut over here. Where the hell? Hey, why is it not? I think I bent it maybe. Oh, wait a minute. That didn't come up. Alright, pause here for a second. There we go. Couple more little shots in here. Ta-da. Let's see. Another one right here. Cut that one. Cut this one off right here. And one more. There we go. If you see it now, I basically cut all that off. I would have to grind it all. And that's pretty much it. Pretty cool, huh? Enjoy.